Unleash the dragon! Welcome back to Diesel Dragon. I know it's been a few weeks since I posted, but we're back and we are on the Suburban. As you guys know, there is going to be a 5.9 Cummins 12 valve going right in there. So I don't trust this half-ton frame with a diesel engine that's going to be putting out about 500 horsepower, probably around the 1,000 foot-pounds of torque area. And I really don't trust the rear end to hold up on that either. And this is also a 2-wheel drive. I want 4. I want all 4 to be able to turn if I choose so. So I'm going to go ahead and do a frame swap. Now the issue with a frame swap on this one, when trying to upgrade to a 1-ton frame, dually in this case, is the wheelbase is 127 inches for this one. That is extremely short. And the wheelbase for the new frame is 140 inches, I think, give or take a couple inches. I'm going to be double checking the measurements just to make sure before I do anything. There's several different scenarios I was thinking about how to fix this. So the first one that most people do, they chop the new frame, shorten it, do a Z cut on the frame, cut out what they don't want, get it to length. I could do that. That would bring the wheelbase from 140, 130 inches, whatever it is, down to 127. And that's probably the easiest thing to do. Second option I have was maybe, since it's not that much of a difference, about a foot or a little bit over a foot, maybe I could move the rear end of the new frame forward, cut off whatever's left that's excess. That's kind of probably not type of thing, but it's an option. And the final option is cut out these wheel wells, you know, straight up right here, up to this body line, come across, come down over here, cut out a little section over here with whatever length, whatever difference it is, 11, 13 inches, whatever the measurements are that I need to move this wheelbase backwards for, cut it out here, and then move whatever piece I cut out from right here, move it to this side, and then put this wheel well back in place right here. So effectively I would be moving this wheel well back and changing that wheelbase to the new frame's wheelbase. I did a lot of thinking about this, going over these 3 options, and I think the last option of moving the wheelbase backwards on the Suburban is the best one. The 2 main reasons for that: one, this is almost 3 feet behind that wheel. So to me, that looks pretty dorky. I've always, every time I look at this truck, I always thought, why is there so much hanging off the back end? It looks so weird. The second thing is, with longer wheelbase, the more stable your towing's going to be. I'm kind of knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone here by making it more stable for towing and what I think would improve the look of this truck. What we're going to do today is go ahead and lift this guy up, unbolt all the body mounts from this one, lower back down, lift the body up, measure the body mount locations for this frame, knock off the mounts, weld them up to the new frame in the exact same location, and just hopefully everything lines up just fine, which we all know it's not going to. So let's get started, I guess. Let's do it. All right, so the first thing, so what we're going to start off with first is going ahead and get this front end disassembled and taken off the frame, and then we'll worry about the body afterwards. I want to go ahead and start with this fender here. And looks like we got a few wires. This wire. I guess we'll just pull this guy out of here.
Can you feel it? See it? Hear it today. If you can't, then it doesn't matter anyway. You will never understand it cause it happens too fast. And it feels so good, it's like walking the glass. It's so cool, so hip, it's alright. It's so groovy, it's out of sight. You can touch it, smell it, taste it so sweet. But it makes no difference cause it knocks you off your feet. You want it all, but you can't have it. Crying, bleeding, lying on the floor. So you lay down on it, then you do it some more. You got to share it, so you dare it, then you bear it, and you deserve it. You want it all, but you can't have it. It's in your face, but you can't grab it. Alive, afraid, a lie, a sin. It's magic, it's tragic, it's a loss, it's a win. It's dark, it's noise, it's a bitter pain. It's sad, it happened, and it's a shame. You want it all, but you can't have it. It's in your face, but you can't grab it. What is it? You say, what is it? You say, what is it? You say, what is it? You say. What is it? You say, what is it? You say, what is it? You say, what is it? You want it all, but you can't have it. It's in your face, but you can't grab it. You say, what is it? 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 You say,
Let's make that one quick and easy as well. All right, so that is everything for the front. If you like this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It's going to be the end of segment 1. You can see segment 2 right here, a part of a bigger whole Suburban series. So you can watch the whole playlist if you want. But that's going to conclude this video. So I will catch y'all in segment 2.